Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat without deleting it. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So there are a couple of things that you can do. First thing that you can do is just open up your settings app and then tap on general and then type on iPhone storage, and now scroll down and then tap on Snapchat, and here tap on offload app and then tap on offload app to begin the process. And what this does is it resets the app by clearing the caches and bugs that is present in the app. And once you do that, instead of this offload app, you'll have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on reinstall app, and now what that does is installs a fresh app into your phone without any bugs and glitches. And once the process is complete, try again, and that should probably fix the issue. But if you are still having the issue, then the next thing that you can do is go to your app store and then on the search bar simply type in Snapchat, and here check to see if your app needs an update. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue to occur, and simply by updating the app your issue should be fixed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.